So hi guys, welcome to Chart Traders channel for monthly expiry. So let's wait for a minute for people to join. So hope you guys made a good profit today. Market was down and gave a good downfall today as expected. It has broke this 14,000 level. So let's move on to the Nifty chart for tomorrow trade setup. So note down guys, this channel is only for educational purpose. So if you are trading, please contact your finance advisor. Okay, so let's move on to the Nifty chart. So Nifty chart currently we have a resistance at 14,000 and 14,016. Okay, if it break this resistance we can see an up move, but currently the global market is on the downside, so we can see tomorrow Nifty can again make a gap down like today. So we can expect if it break this support, okay, that is 13,930 900 levels, we can expect Nifty falling towards 13,880 860, can also reach to 13,800 levels. So that's a downtrend which I'm expecting, and also you can see this trend line. Okay, so if we see more falls all in the stock, we can see Nifty reaching towards this trend line. The maximum downfall what I am expecting is 13,700 levels near this trend line. Okay, so that's in the level for the downside on the Nifty. So let's move on to the BankNifty. Before moving on to the BankNifty, so this is an OI data, and also you can see a strong resistance at 14,000 levels. Okay, both put call and the C call both has a strong resistance. You can see here both have a good volume here, and that's the reason if it break this 14 we can expect 1400, but now currently the global market is on the downside, so we can expect Nifty reaching towards 13,800, can also reach to 13,700 levels. This level it can stand in this level tomorrow. So that's in level for Nifty tomorrow monthly expiry. Let's move on to the BankNifty chart. So BankNifty today it has reached this trend line, at this trend line, so it was low around 30,000. so as I told yesterday, 30,000 is a strong support. So if it breaks, we can see a good fall like today, 500 points in an hour we can see the good fall. So if we see the history data, last time the same way it has moved upwards 500 points every hour. So I'll show after this this complete explanation of other stocks how BankNifty is going to fall. So for now, the current level, if it break this 30,070, we can expect BankNifty to reach 29,434. So maximum downtrend which I'm expecting for tomorrow expiry is 29,434 levels. So that's a level on the downtrend on BankNifty. So moving on to the our training program. So this is our training program which we are going to start on February month. If anyone interested can ping me on the Telegram ID Hemant@369. So we completely teach about the price action. So this is the topic which we are going to cover, and it will be only on the weekends. So 4 weekends, 1 month training and 1 month support. Support is not just a support, it's just hand holding support. So whatever the trade you take, we are going to support you on the 1 month. Okay, so let's move on to the stock. So on the stock we have Cipla. Currently we have a resistance at 847. So if it break this resistance 847, we can see Cipla moving towards 856. It can also reach to 864. If it falls below this support, right, 832, you can see a downfall till 828. Can also see downfall till 814. So that's a level on the downtrend for Cipla. Let's move on to the Tata Steel. So Tata Steel is look like a completely downtrend for now, and even commodity also is showing a downtrend. So if it break this support 620, you can see Tata Steel moving towards 590, can also reach to 582 levels. So that's a level on the Tata Steel. So looking onto the L&T chart, so L&T is moving on to the sideways from long time. It's moving on this range 1395 levels, 1324 levels. So if it break this resistance 1363 levels, can move further to 1380 and also can reach to 1396 levels. And if it falls below 1350, can see downfall. If it break this 1320, you can see more profit booking in L&T. So last is Apollo. So Apollo Hospital, the current market price is 2594 and the resistance is 2615. So if it break this resistance 2650, we can see Apollo moving towards 2679, can also reach to 2700 levels. If it falls below this 2580-70 levels, we can see a profit booking in Apollo as well. Can also reach to 2540 levels. So that's a level on the stock for tomorrow. So let me explain about the Bank Nifty. Let me change the screen. 1 second. Trading. The reason why I said is Bank Nifty. If you look at the Bank Nifty chart, okay, on the daily time frame, you can look at this chart on the daily time frame. Let me take on 2 hours chart. Okay, so you can see this upward move. Okay, so it had given a good move during December month, 28,000. From 28,000 it has moved to 31,000. Okay, so now it's a time for a profit booking on the bank stock. So similar way, what I'm expecting is we can see a similar way fall. Okay, so maybe tomorrow if it break this trend line, as I told, we can see Bank Nifty as 29,700, can also reach till 29,400 levels. So that's an view on the Bank Nifty, guys. So let me also recap the Nifty once again. So Nifty, I'm expecting it is going to touch this trend line. Okay, here we have a trend line around 13,700 levels. Okay, so if it break this 13,920, so we can expect a fall. And moreover, even the Nifty global market is also weak now, so we can expect Nifty starting at 13,850 levels, 861 levels tomorrow, gap down at this level, and we can also expect a fall till 13,800 and try to reach this trend line. So that's a level on the downtrend. And uptrend, okay, if you look at the OI data, so we have a strong resistance of 14,000 levels. So if it break this, we can see a upward move till 14,100. So I'm not expecting any, it should not break, because global market is also showing a weakness, so it will be on the downside fall tomorrow. So that's a view on Nifty, Bank Nifty, guys, for tomorrow monthly expiry. Hope you guys are very clear. Thank you for joining our live session. So see you on the tomorrow on the same time. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.